It should be a pretty simple assembly process. Make sure we can get that seated in place. That's in. Go ahead and grab a wrench at the end, tighten this down. Top sits on here. Again, we've got a set screw here, so it locks in place in the first stage of the handle. I'll grab a set screw or wrench and take care of that. Height adjustment or handle adjustment. Pretty simple setup. Now again, we've got these couple of U-joints here, and we can get I'm gonna put mine down here towards the base. Let me go ahead and tighten these down real quick. All right, it's assembled. Let me go ahead and drop our shortest pin on here for now. I'll put this someplace I'm sure I'll lose it, like up here. We've got our air chuck. Hangs right up here.